What is up, Math Made Easy fans? Today we have a video for you guys, and we're going to be doing a problem from the AMC 8 of last year, 2018. The AMC 8 is coming up, so for those of you folks in 8th grade and under, I want to cover this real quick. This was problem number 23, kind of a geometry, kind of probability problem. Really nice problem in my opinion. And something that somebody said to me is to speak louder, so I'll try to speak as loud as possible. But this is a problem, number 23 from last year's AMC 8. There's 25 questions and they get harder as you progress, so 23 is one of the hard ones. So 3 random points are chosen on a regular octagon. What's the probability that the triangle formed by these 3 points shares at least one side with the octagon? So I kind of drew a sketch example here. Of course, the 3 points chosen are these, and this would share this side, this bottom side, with the octagon, right? I hope we can all agree on that, Math Made Easy fans. And what we're trying to do is like, what's the probability that will happen? And, you know, if it can share 2 sides with the octagon as well. So let's think about different cases. Well, if we were to share 2 sides with the octagon, we would have to be like this, right? And when you think about it, we can just kind of rotate this like 8 different ways around, right? So we would start out with 8. We're going to divide the total number of successes by the total number of like total outcomes. This looks like a 5. 8. And then to get something like that, well, we have to have one side, which there's 8 different ways to do so. But we're going to have to multiply it by the amount of different places this point could be at, right? So of course it can't be there and there. That wouldn't work, not epic. It couldn't be there or there because then you would just get this. But it could be here, 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 or here. So that's 4. So that's 8 times 4. Okay? Next, we have this over the total number. What's the total number of outcomes? Well, if you think, any 3 randomly chosen points, of course, can form a triangle. You can figure this out yourself, but in fact, now we would do 8 choose. Choose does include 2 O's, for those of you on your spelling tests. 8 choose 3. So that would just be 8 squared, well no, 8 exclamation point, 8 factorial. So 8 times 7 times 6, and then we have to divide that kind of by the 5 factorial, right? So we're just going to have 8 times 7 times 6 over 3 factorial. That's how I do it. You know, I have 3 numbers on the top, then the 3 factorial on the bottom. If it was 8 choose 4, you would have a 5 here. In addition, then you would have 4 factorial on the bottom. And this is actually just 6, so we can cancel this out. And we get 56. So we get this over 56. This simplifies to 40 over 56, which simplifies, divided top and bottom by 8 to 5 over 7. And actually it's as simple as that. Pretty hard problem on this AMC 8 exam, but not undoable by any means. We're coming up on the AMC 8s soon. I hope you guys pass those. But tell me if you like the AMC. Tell me if you want me to do more videos like this. And for now, like, subscribe, and click that little notification bell. And my name is Math Made Easy. Have a great rest of your night.